as per original. A Pilkington, green and, was it?
Green
White with a green tint, like all the rest of them. He says they're green tinted. I couldn't tell they were green tinted because I'm colourblind. So, the likely me I'd see that was green tint is, you know, impossible. But this is a windscreen. It's been in and out, shake it all about. And it's done the okey cokey, hasn't it? Yeah, and it's turned around. So, we're now going to come back over here, and we are going to say to you guys, we're going to set her up there, and we're going to watch, we're going to leave that there until either we run out of battery, or we run out of camera. Or we run out of life. Because really, guys, this has been the bugbear of this whole thing. This roof and this window. Not knowing if it's ever going to fit. And that really was the thing that was worrying me. It's worried me sick of you. But do you know I've had sleepless nights worrying about this bloody window?
I do.
Well, because I still, you know, I mean everything's sort of spitted, but God, yeah, it's a bit fun.
Yeah, it'll be alright. We'll get them in there.
Yeah. You sound like that guy off of Wind Your Towing. We'll get them out. What's the weather forecast there? Oh, it's going to rain. We'll get them out.
We'll get them.
We'll get them out.
We'll get them. Rubber's a bit short for that stretch.
Oh, don't start.
Oh, no, that's all right.
Don't stress me. Stop stressing me. I'm going to get on to crying. I've got my drill, I've got my thing, and I've got everything sorted out for what I might need to do in relation to, you know, what we were saying about, because they got rivets at the V-posts, as you know.
Okay, yeah.
So I have actually got some rivets here, got a rivet gun. Most of it's to do it, but
Right.
it's short the way. Oh God help us, don't
Suckers.
You know what that is, don't you? You know what that is? Well, you know what's happened, don't
You
you?
know what happened?
The windscreen temperature's got bigger.
We've only gone and done it.
Hang on a minute, here, hold on a minute, before you get
They're always a bit like that, Ed.
hold on.
Which is
I
stretch
don't know.
out.
When I was looking, I found in my collection, I found this. Now, I don't know whether you can read what it says on there, but is that neat? That's a neat, that one. And that's a roadster one, I'm sure. It says new one, it's never been in the car.
That is an E-type rubber.
And I'll tell you what I think.
And that is
A 2+2.
yeah, that's a smaller screen.
You
know
sure?
what I mean? Right, isn't that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I think this is more likely.
That's fine now.
I have no idea.
What have you got there? I've got a corner here. What corner there?
Yeah, I got a corner.
That's even shorter.
That's alright, that's a cute one. That must be a cute one. That's what I thought, because maybe worst case no chocolate up to the back. You know? I didn't
Yeah.
think it was one that's laying around. I thought it's been hanging in that shed down there for years. And I kept wondering what was it for. Could be a Mark II one, you know.
Okay.
Did you see my Mark II?
I did see a Mark II.
We don't mention it like too much on camera. But that could be the next project. That could be the next project car. I don't know why. I really ought to do this BMW, but I don't know about that. To be honest, I could just do with a holiday.
Yeah.
I'm holding the glass, right?
Yeah, don't make sure the sucker don't fall off.
You'd be a sucker if it did fall off, wouldn't you? I'll tell you.
Right, okay.
And remember,
yeah, let's just press them in the middle a minute and let me just get them
I am.
going in on centralising from there.
Remember it's right over my side, about 2 feet.
That's
so
fine, it's got to come
it needs to go your way.
It will come this way, that's fine. We'll just need to get them dropped down into there.
Remember you were saying to me it looked absolutely stunning, it was brilliant, and it was lovely. And, you did talk the talk.
You talk the talk.
You talk the
I
talk.
talk the talk.
You said this would fit.
Yeah, I want to go home from the tea, that's what it was.
Oh, so what you're saying is
No.
it's
There
not
you
going
go, how's it looking over there now?
Right, so I'm not looking. It doesn't look like it's going to fit. Unless it goes down or does something miraculously different.
Let's go down here a minute.
Is it going to come?
We'll come down here. So.
Yeah.
Hang on.
I mean, one side went really well. I remember. That's perfect. Then you went, yeah.
Got there, that clicked in there lovely. Right, so what's it look like over there?
Oh, I don't like it.
Let's have a look at it.
I'm going to come around. So when you come on that side.
Top side. Well, it's got to go that way, which is good because there's room for it to go that way. You steady out a minute?
Yeah, got it. Oh, gotcha.
So what's that look like now?
Well,
a bit more your way?
Well, I don't know. What do you think?
That rubber's got, yeah. What was that? Yeah, it's got to come this way. Let's just see if we can get this here.
Oh,
Let's put that on.
Jesus fucking Christ. He has got the magic touch.
You don't hit it, or you just want to get it.
You just ease it.
Yeah, that's the one. Just ease.
Are you listening to this, boys and girls?
Ease it in like that.
You're watching a professional here. No pressure, eh? No pressure.
I've never been called a professional.
Can I say? You know the reason why I say, because you are the man when it comes to windscreen.
Yeah.
You seem to have.
I should be after all the years, shouldn't I? So we swap sides again.
Yeah,
Have a look
yeah.
at that side. That's got to go in and
that
come over a bit. But
I mean, I every time I look at it, I think I could just see the way you just sort of quietly, confidently make it look so goddamn easy.
yes, what's got to come? Let's just try and get this.
It just makes it look so easy, and you think.
Yeah, that's going to be alright because that's not even on over there yet. Then you've got to come down a bit more there. That's it.
He's sort of cut my way quite a way. He's cut my way at the top, so well, is that like that?
That's alright.
I'm just easy. I'm not touching. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just stood here with my butt cheeks tensed.
If we get it in the rubber all the way round, I can.
You can juggle it back.
Yeah.
You've got some glue, you mean?
We need a bit more
lubricant. Yeah, right, okay.
Well, it's come from that side.
Where shall I go?
We just go around that side and steady that on it.
Yes. See, I mean, this is the originally. I mean, I don't think we ever did a test fit video on video, did we?
No, we didn't. No.
We never have a video that's test
But we
fit
did.
this.
We did have it in and out a few times, didn't we?
We had, I think, 4 times. Before it sort of finally looked like it was going. Oh, Christ, he's hitting it. He's hitting it. Don't stop it.
Well, I'll tell you what. That's not far off there. That's only.
What?
That's not far off over that side.
Shall I come on that side?
Yeah.
I just keep thinking, oh my God, you hearing that?
It's a bit tight there.
Is it? Well, that's the side you said wasn't. I don't know. You said that was the side that was.
No, it's just that bit rubber there.
Is it bulking down here somewhere?
What's happening is this should be in there like that. You know what I mean? Not over. It needs to go. Under the aperture like that.
Under the aperture.
Yeah.
Not over. You got a bit of an over and under here, right? You got a bit there, look.
It's a bit tight on that corner still, but not going to be an issue. It's when this gap is closed right up and you can't get the beading in. That's fine. And when we get the beading that in there, obviously the chrome comes to there and
I don't know.
yeah, it will be fine.
Yeah. You think?
Stop stressing it. It's fine. Got to come that way a bit, I think.
What my way or your way?
Hang on. What's happening on the side there? No.
You can actually see it moving around in there, guys. You could see the glass moving in the rubber as she teases it around. You could feel it moving.
There you go. Look at that. That's that side.
Is that good?
That's good. You've got to remember how far out this thing was at one point.
I mean, I will take the old camera over there and then we'll have a little walk, because obviously you've been seeing this in freeze time, and
There you go, look.
that's
fine. What's wrong with that? That's perfect.
You see that? He says, what's wrong with that?
Oh,
It
just
looks,
get a
looks
little
nuts.
bit of ploying and messing about, bit of sealer, bit of beading in.
Lick of paint. Yeah, I don't know how he keeps hitting it. He's got to think about hitting it, hasn't
I can't help it.
He likes banging things. But yeah, I have to agree that this side actually fits bloody lovely, doesn't it? I mean, is that just me, or am I amazing that side's fitting so nice?
The only thing I will say is this corner might be a bit tight. But apart from that, it ain't worth messing around with taking out and shaving it down, because sometimes you've got to take them back out, sand a bit off it, get it to fit 100%, but I wouldn't even risk it. Because I think you'll have a nervous breakdown if anything happens.
I'd have kittens.
So,
I would, because obviously we know how much the cleaning costs.
Yeah.
And it scares me. I'm scared looking at it. I look at it and I'm scared. You know what I mean? Now this is the next bit, which is the beading.
Put a bit of sealer in it, I think.
Yeah, it's going to seal and bead.
Sealer and put the bead in.
So what we're going to do, guys, we'll set you back up on the old tripod. And then it's the fun bit is the chromos. And as you say, you can see there that he made that look easy, didn't he? I mean, you did make that look easy, you bloody did, I'll tell you. I mean...
That's 36 years of fitting windows, though, isn't it?
What? You mean you've been trying to fit this one for 36 years? He's been trying to fit this for 36 years. I mean, I suppose what it is...
I've been here for probably 30 years.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah. What's that? It's a gap now.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll push that over there. I'll get a sealer in there now. Run out of sealer, Ed. Get some more sealer.
Oh god, he's run out of sealer. I will say that is pretty impressive. I mean, I just look at it and think, oh my god, you know what I mean? Well, do you think this side fitted really well?
We've got to put the top trim in first. Right. So I think you've got you're supposed to screw it in the end here, aren't you, each end?
No.
No? On me?
What? No, what, on the outside of the car?
Well, on this corner here where this trim will obviously cover it, it comes round, and I thought maybe it's not on this then. Where's the trim?
Over there. No? Over there. What, you think there was a screw in the end of the trim?
No, there isn't. Alright, not on this, is it?
No. No.
I'm thinking of something else, or...
You're thinking of something else. You're thinking of an Alpine. I have seen what you're on about. Some have got like, and then they got a thing at the end. They got to get a pin locator. Yeah.
So we need to get this central, though, don't we? So
yes.
We need to get it central.
Yes. Yeah. Well, that was ripped out of a 2+2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Series 2, 2+2. I think it was.
Right. Just getting sort of going in there.
Oh.
That's a bit big, isn't it? Take that. Look.
Yeah, I can see that.
What's going on there?
I don't know. I think we just got. Oh, we got the work bit clean. You're not in the bottom there, are you?
Well, look, we put it in the bottom all the way along. You should sit right in there like that. What do you think?
Yeah. Let's pick the right trim. There can't be two trims like that, I'm afraid.
No. I think it's not the trim, if anything, it's the rubber, isn't it?
You think it's the aperture?
No, this gap between here and here. I bet if you get that of the rubber and measure the gap between there and there, this is bigger.
Yeah. Well,
Well, it ain't a major problem because I can glue them in.
Yeah.
But if you look, where's that other rubber end? That's in the new old stock.
I don't know this is the old stock, but I'll tell you what this probably was for a good few years ago.
So if you look at that gap between there and there,
You think that's a lot
I reckon that's, and then obviously when the glass is in, look how smaller it is. If you just push that so the glass will be in there.
Yeah, that's.
Look at the distance. You can see by eye. You ain't got to measure it.
Yeah, well, that would have been an old style rubber, but it's not a. I just don't know what it's off of. I just no idea. Could be anything.
It's definitely Jag, isn't it?
Yeah, oh God, yeah. But I mean, it wouldn't be. It would be something I'd had in the shed for years. It was hanging out behind the bloody rider, I think.
See, it's gone in there actually. Now look. If you look at that part there,
We're fitting there.
it's cool. But we just need to make sure that we're not too far one way or the other.
Yeah,
So,
and somehow one of these little catches decided it won't open the outside now.
so have you got? Is it covering the end?
It's tight.
Is it, how much have you got?
That much.
I've probably got a little bit more than that. So we could come that way a bit.
You want to come out a bit?
Yeah?
Yeah, come out a
Hang on
bit.
now, hang on. Come over a bit, won't we? Right there?
Yeah.
Hang on now.
That's where I think. Yeah. Oh, guys. Anyway, as you can see, we've had our work cut out, haven't we? We got rubber, which the rubber is actually like a just a aftermarket one. I just don't know. Maybe I should have got one. I didn't get that one from Baines's, so maybe I should have got a better one from Baines. Don't know. Bit of a pain either way. It's a bit of a pain, but I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is that not starting to look like a car? Is it not starting to look like a car, or is it starting to look like it could be a car? I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see, as they say. At the moment, we're getting it. At the moment, we're getting it, we're doing it, we're getting it in. We've got the back window, the chromes, sides, backs. That's gotta be. It's gotta be a good job, guys. It's gotta be. And I mean, Clive's, he's got the patience of a saint. So I can honestly say, I used to fit my windows with a string. But now Clive's the man. He knows what he's doing. 35 years fitting this screen he's done. So we'll turn you off before the battery goes, and what we're going to do is we're going to come back when we get a little bit more before we lose completely all our battery. So let's hope you enjoyed that. Talk to you in a bit.